Good afternoon, Magister. Today, my classmate Selena Solano and I, Emilia Santander, we are going to talk about the teaching process, which is basically how learning happens in the classroom. From what we understand is not only about the teacher explaining a topic, but also about who students actually understand and use that information. It includes different methods, activities, and strategies that help make learning more effective.
Yeah, and I think something important is that the teaching process has changed over time. Before it was more teacher centered, but now it focuses more on students. So learners are more active, they participate more, and they are part of the process. And that's where technology becomes really important in education.
So, connected to that, we have hybrid learning. This model combines face-to-face classes with online learning, which makes education more flexible and accessible for students.
Exactly. And something we found interesting is that learning can be synchronous, like classes, or asynchronous, where students learn at their own pace. This helped a lot because students can review the material whenever they need and learn in a way that works better for them.
Okay, talking about advantages, we can see that this model benefits both teachers and students. For teachers, it helps them organize their classes better and use different strategies to explain topics in a more dynamic way.
And for students, it improves participation and helps them develop skills like critical thinking and problem solving. Also, the flexibility is very important because they can access material anytime and learn at their own pace, which makes learning more effective.
Okay, to support this model, there are different technological tools. For example, Kahoot. Kahoot is used to create interactive quizzes, which makes learning more fun and engaging for students. And also we have Google Classroom. It's also very useful because it helps teachers organize assessment and communicate with their students in a simple way.
Well, and we also have tools like Prezi, which allows students to create more visual and dynamic presentations, making topic easier to understand. Another important tool is blogging because it helps students reflect and express their ideas in a more personal way, which improves their understanding.
So to conclude, we can say that technology plays an important role in improving the teaching process. It helps create a more interactive and flexible learning in environment where students are more involved and teachers can use different strategies to support learning. Overall, it makes education more effective and adapted to um, modern needs.
In general, this approach allows both teachers and students to have a better experience in the classroom. Learning becomes more dynamic, more accessible, and more meaningful. We really believe that integrating technology is essential in today's education system.
Thank you. That's all for today, teacher. Thank you for your attention again.
That's all for our presentation. Uh, thank you so much.